So the Capstone Trip is, we go for a week, 5 nights, to Puerto Rico, and it's a wonderful, fun time where the students get immersed in the culture and the language. As a bilingual school, that's really important. So the Capstone Trip just brings all the aspects, the main pillars of our learning here at Mundo Verde together for the 5th grade students. And it's a time where they get to connect with each other, they get to connect with the land, and they get to eat amazing, delicious food, do salsa classes, learn about the local biodiversity. We go to the bioluminescent bay, which is an amazing experience. What I hope is that all the students in 5th grade get to go on this trip. Right now we are at about 93% of students in 5th grade going, and I'm really proud and excited about that. And I just think it's a wonderful opportunity I could never imagine when I was in 5th grade going away for 5 nights with school. Like, my parents would have never allowed that. So I just think it's incredibly inspiring.